So I'd now like to ask Duygu if you could come on down. She's Smart Enabler's lead product manager and is taking the place of her boss, as Turkcell have a customer technology event running in parallel with TADSummit. So over to you, Duygu.
Hello. First of all, I would like to say welcome to Turkey and welcome to Istanbul. Hope to enjoy to be in Istanbul and Turkish hospitality. Yes, nowadays we are not just talking about mobile phones, computers, and tablets. We are all connected to our locks, or keys, or cars, and even our health. And the most important role is in this connectivity is API, as you know. API usage dramatically increased between last 5 years. And the biggest share owner is the social media, as you know. Social media companies are creating enormous API numbers. For example, Twitter APIs. They are calling by 13 million daily transactions, and Facebook and Google as well. They are calling by the developers for 5 billion times per day. These APIs usage trends are similar with Salesforce, Amazon, and eBay as well. Telcos are the complementary part of these APIs, and we cannot think a telco stay out this game. So, let's look at Turkcell. Turkcell opened its APIs to its business partners in 2001. Today, approximately 200 business partners are using our APIs to develop their services and use the best quality mobile services to their customers and Turkcell customers. And these customers, these business partners are calling monthly 1 billion Turkcell APIs for every month. And let's look at our corporate customer side. Turkcell decided to open its APIs to its corporate customers as well in February 2012. And today our customers are generating approximately 10 million transactions per month. And they are adding value to their businesses. And how? Under this success, you can find a proper API strategy. First, we have listened to our customers, understand their needs, and also understand the pain points. Then we have designed, flexible infrastructure to serve the easy and fast and simple services, and with simple and different pricing models. And we have built up new partnerships. We believe in our business partners, because they have very deep customer insights, and we are trying to use their experience into our business. With this partnership, we are going in touch with our customers with the right time and with the right solution. And finally, it looks simple, easy to use model, but we made similar or contract process and also pricing models. Therefore, we can easily close our sales. And let's look at our smart enabler services.
Turkcell Smart Enablers, providing services to 62 million people in 9 countries. Turkcell, with its strong technological infrastructure, has introduced many innovations, not only to expand the world of communications, but also to enhance the growth of the business world. One of these innovations is Turkcell Smart Enablers. What is Turkcell Smart Enablers and how does it work? Turkcell Smart Enablers is a whole network of mobile-based and innovative technological services that offer companies the opportunity to know their customers better, reach the right customer in the right place, and increase security measures. These services are provided via a web service that is easy to integrate into your own systems. Wholesale data service. When your customers are connected to your website via their mobile phones, Wholesale Data Service allows them to connect to your web page free of charge. This allows you to reach more customers and increase the number of clicks on your web page. Turkish Citizenship ID and GSM Query Service. Thanks to this service, you can check whether the Turkish Citizenship ID and GSM number of your customers match within Turkcell systems or not. You can also query the GSM phone numbers related to Turkish Citizenship ID. So how can your customers reach you? By using the nearest Where service. Customers that visit your website via their mobile phones can learn all about your closest ATMs, stores, campaigns, and your technical services for all your locations with a single click. You can use the Turkcell Smart Enabler technology to more easily reach your customers and more rapidly increase your sales. Tell us what your company needs. Let Turkcell find the solution for you.
Yes, you have seen a small part of Turkcell Smart Enablers. Indeed, we have 16 different Smart Enabler services. Some of them are helping companies to make smarter marketing, and some of them are for security, and some of them are for evaluating companies' CRM databases. And now, we would like to touch into developers as well. Turkcell has a very big developer community, and Turkcell want to touch with them with its SMS call and device APIs. We plan that in the near future, developers can easily subscribe to our web portal and learn how can they use the Turkcell APIs into their applications and how can they benefit from these applications. And they can use a little freemium, and then they can pay for it, and they can improve their applications accordingly. And thank you.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions for Duygu? Maybe I'll open up with one easy one. Of your enablers, which generates the most revenue?
The most important one is for security side. Yeah, in finance sector, we are generating the most of the transaction at this site.
Gotcha. Excellent. Any other questions for Duygu? If not, that helps. Oh, we have Arthur here. Just hang on a second. Karen, you could bring the mic. It's just as we're recording for the video, it means it's captured on the video.
Do you see any challenge with attracting developers? And if those developers are only local, or you're looking also to attract developer from Brazil or from some other place? And then is your API, or do you plan to have, maybe that's another question then. If you're looking also for some cooperation with other operators in Turkey or other places, so kind of one API. But that's a common challenge, right? So because you mentioned those Google, Twitter, great, but it means that you actually compete for the developers' attention with those guys. And I heard this from many operators in the past who are trying to define or expose some APIs that at the end you compete with other guys. And then your API for them is as valuable as primary as a channel to reach the customers. I'm afraid that I'm asking too many questions, but maybe just about developers and the community, how you would like to build and attract them.
We are still working on it, and we think that at the first time we will open our APIs to our local developers, and then we are trying to open to international as well. I think it's a hot issue, and there is many questions we have. Maybe in this workshops we can find a solution together. Okay.
And that's an excellent plug for the workshops. Thanks so much, Duygu.
Thank you.